Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to show notifications on your lock screen. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is head to the settings on your iPhone. So we'll click into that. Now on the main settings you want to scroll down until we see notification. So we want to tap into that. Now the first thing you'll see here, display as. So you can select count, stack or list. And this is how the notifications will appear on your lock screen. So you can choose which one you like there. Now the next section, you'll see show previews in the middle here. So you want to tab into that. And if you're not seeing notifications, yours may have been selected as never. So you either want to choose when locked or always. I prefer always. That'll mean that you'll always see the notifications. So let's say you've turned notifications off a certain application. So as you can see here, let's scroll down and these are all your applications. And I wasn't getting any notifications off flash scores. As you can see here, it's switched off. So I want to tap into that. As you can see, allow notifications is greyed out. So you want to tap that on. Then you want to select where you get your notifications. As you can see here, lock screen, notification center, banners, and we also want sound and badges. So that's how to show notifications on your lock screen. Hope that helps you out. If it did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.